It's spring and it's dry, and apparently we have a brush fire going on behind my house. So anyone who could see the fire or smell the smoke started coming outside. So a number of us were gathering around to watch the fire. It was actually moving pretty quickly. Not sure how it started, if someone was burning something that caught the grass on fire. I was a bit surprised at how quickly the fire was moving, given that there wasn't any wind. It was a pretty still day. Now, the fire department did arrive and they were on the scene, so we didn't end up doing anything. The neighbors were talking about whether they should get the fire extinguishers from their house or even run some of the hoses out to the back, but it turned out it wasn't necessary. Hey guys, so the fire's out. That was kind of crazy. The fire department came and actually they weren't using water. They all came out, and I'm not sure what they had, but they had like tools and they were just kind of pounding the fire. They did a pretty good job. It took them a little while to get it all under control, but obviously it is done and gone. Pretty cool. Thanks, firefighters. Peter Bob Panda. Out.